This is my new cat, Reese's Puff. She's pretty cute. She's been declawed, weirdly. Yeah. So we just recently adopted her. She is eating a lot because she's clearly been starved before this. See, she clearly lost a house before because of the declawed stuff. She's scared of ladders. Is there a phobia of ladders? Because this cat has it. Also, Reese's Puff is scared of my main cat, Linda. And Reese's Puff is a pretty nice cat.
What are you yelling about?
She's like,
She comes.
well, Reese's Puff is just a cute cat. That's all she is, really. She's cute.